Hi guys, this video is going to be all about Plant Origin 4 brand new essential oil. So the first essential oil is the pink grapefruit essential oil and the second one is the Mandarin essential oil. So these two essential oil are very comparable together because they are both very calming and very uplifting. So for example, lavender essential oil is very calming but can let you go to sleep. But these two right here, because it is calming and uplifting, so it can get you ready throughout the day. So what I like to do with these two essential oil right here is actually mixing them both together into the diffuser, and I'm going to be adding few drops of the pink grapefruit essential oil and the Mandarin essential oil, and then I'm just going to close the cap of the diffuser. So immediately after the essential oil diffuses into the air, you can smell the super citrus yet sweet yet calming, uplifting kind of essential oil from the Mandarin and pink grapefruit essential oil. And the next two essential oil are these right here. This is the Plant Origin Rosewood essential oil and this is the Plant Origin Amyris essential oil. So this rosewood right here, it's sweet and spicy at the same time, so it really gives a very calming kind of effect. And for this Amyris essential oil, it's also known as the West Indian sandalwood essential oil. This oil is actually more thicker compared to the other oil, which is very concentrated, and this one really goes, like little bit goes a really long way. And that is it for this video. I hope you all learned something new about our 4 brand new Plant Origin essential oil. And also not forgetting about this right here. This is the Aromatherapy diffuser and air purifier, which is already available in our website. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!